Hello Pioneer, I will introduce Global Trade Platform. We are Web Marketplace. Here, buy and sell will be in this platform. So, go to B browser. Mainnet app. Mainnet. Okay. Mainnet. Here, Data. Search Global Trade Platform. Search here. That's Global Trade Platform. The Premier Global Network Marketplace enables secure B2B trading of goods and services exclusively using Bitcoin payment. Here, product. As you can buy and sell will be in this platform. Today, buy will be Japan processing. Here you are testnet best pay, testnet air, testnet ecosystem, testnet best pay. Okay. Profile. Leader. Seller. Product. Okay. Saving class. Here you can see your page, your test fee, deposits, buying car, buying phone. Okay. 2P deposits. Okay, your best pay here. Pay with test fee. Okay. Withdraw. Available 1 piece, 1 pie. Okay. 1 pie, 1 pie. Withdraw. Okay, withdraw successful. Transaction. Okay, correct. Point reward. daily streets 1 day 5 point, 2 day 5 point, 3 day 5 point, 7 days to unlock 50 extra points. Withdraw your referral link. Share your friend link with friends. When they sign up using your link, you get 100 points and they get 50 points bonus. Okay, wallet here. Okay, dash view on blockchain. This is blockchain real-time data and since my platform. Testnet ecosystem. Okay, here. Okay. My listen. Okay, your products can list a new. Okay. Aura history. My aura. My Pache, my say. Okay. By review. Coursera. In this product. Okay. I have already this product review. Share. Today. Assess seller. Okay. Shares. Loading shares. Hello. Notification. Saving the deposit complete. Withdraw. Deposit withdraw. Message already. Okay. Okay, Pioneer. You can test speed with my platform. Pioneer with your product. Thank you.